you're getting into the nursing career, you might wonder, is nursing school hard? I'm Dan Carlson, and we're going to talk about that today. Nursing school can be hard. It can be long hours, lots of studying. A lot of times what you'll do is go to class first thing in the morning, and then when you get to a higher point of knowledge throughout your schooling career, you get to the point where you start doing on-site clinicals. And a lot of that will be done in the mornings, so you'll have early morning hours, and then when you get out of that clinical situation, then you go back to class, and then you go back to class and study, and then after that you go home and do homework. It can be very trying, so what you need to do is kind of free up your life around that and make sure that you've got a lot of time for school. It goes pretty quickly, and you learn a lot really fast, so if you've got other things going on in your life, it can be a big problem, and it can be hard. But if you go at it at the right pace and do everything you need to do to prepare yourself for it, it can be very easy as well. It's a good, rewarding career to get into, and depending on how you take your schooling will depend on if it is hard or not. It can be easy, it can be hard, but if you take time to prepare, then you should be well off and shouldn't have to worry about things like that. I'm Dan Carlson. Thank you very much.